Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're diving into a lineup that every motorcycle enthusiast will love. 10 classic motorcycles for sale that truly capture the soul of vintage riding. From Harley-Davidsons to Triumphs and rare Moto Guzzis, these timeless machines are waiting for new owners to keep their stories alive. Let's explore these two-wheeled legends together. Number 1. 1969 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $8,000, Duncan, South Carolina. Kicking things off is the legendary 1969 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, a model that truly represents the spirit of old-school American engineering. This one-owner black shovelhead sits on a classic V-twin frame and features a kickstart-only setup, the kind of machine that demands respect and rewards patience. It has an STD case motor built by the legendary Pete Hill, a name known among Harley enthusiasts for performance and precision. With OEM sheet metal, a 4-speed transmission, and manual advanced retard ignition control, this bike brings back that pure, mechanical connection between rider and road. It's not overloaded with electronics or plastic, just metal, sound, and soul. The sellers had it for 5 years, barely 500 miles since the rebuild. Whether you're a rider looking for raw vintage power or a collector searching for authenticity, this Harley is a piece of rolling history. Number 2. 1997 Honda Valkyrie, $4,600, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Next, we have something from Japan's golden era of touring bikes, the 1997 Honda Valkyrie. Powered by a flat-six 1520cc engine, this beast produces smooth, effortless power and has earned a reputation for being almost indestructible. This particular Valkyrie is in beautiful shape, featuring a driver backrest, heel-toe shifter, and custom split-vision mirrors for added comfort and style. The carbs were professionally rebuilt, ensuring crisp throttle response. It's a perfect mix of muscle and refinement, a bike that can take you across the country in comfort or tear down a back road with power to spare. The seller's open to trades for an ATV, but honestly, it'd be tough to give up something this iconic. For under $5,000, it's a steal for what many riders still call one of Honda's greatest achievements. Three. 1977 Triumph Silver Jubilee, $11,500, Amite, Louisiana. Now here's something special, a 1977 Triumph Silver Jubilee, a bike made to celebrate Queen Elizabeth II's 25th year on the throne. Triumph built only around 2,400 units worldwide, making this a true collector's dream. This one has just 13,000 miles and is in excellent condition. The silver and blue color scheme with red accents still gleams, giving it that unmistakable British charm. Under the tank, you've got a reliable 650cc parallel twin with the smooth, throaty tone Triumph fans love. The Silver Jubilee represents the end of an era for British motorcycles, built before Triumph went through major company changes, and remains a timeless piece for anyone who appreciates craftsmanship and heritage. If you're looking for a bike that carries both style and history, this one's pure class. Number 4. 1969 Harley-Davidson Electroglide, $15,000, Humble, Texas. Our next classic takes us back to the open highways of the 60s, the 1969 Harley-Davidson Electroglide. This bike was built for the long haul, comfortable, reliable, and unmistakably Harley. With just 29,000 miles and a gleaming red finish, this Electroglide is in excellent shape. The shovelhead engine delivers that iconic deep Harley rumble, the kind of sound that turns heads at every stoplight. This was one of the first Harleys to feature electric start, a big step forward in its time. It's a perfect bike for anyone who wants vintage looks but modern enough reliability to actually ride. Priced at $15,000, it's not just a showpiece, it's a ready-to-ride time capsule from the golden age of American touring. Five. 1971 BMW R50/5, $2,900, Temple, Texas. From America to Germany, meet the 1971 BMW R50/5, a minimalist masterpiece that proves less is more. The R50/5 features a 500cc Boxer twin engine with a 4-speed gearbox, known for smooth power delivery and incredible durability. BMW built these bikes for long-distance endurance, and many are still running strong over 50 years later. This example is all original and shows beautiful natural patina, the kind of aging you can't fake. It's an ideal candidate for restoration or as a daily rider for someone who appreciates simplicity and reliability. At under $3,000, it's a rare opportunity to own a genuine vintage BMW that's as practical as it is collectible. Six. 1965 Moto Guzzi Lodola, $5,650, Houston, Texas. Let's take a trip to Italy with this elegant 1965 Moto Guzzi Lodola 235. This green beauty wasn't just a motorcycle, it was a workhorse for the Italian Forestry Service, known for its efficiency and style. The Lodola is powered by a 235cc single-cylinder engine that's smooth, responsive, and full of character. With just over 22,000 kilometers, it's in excellent mechanical condition and has been well preserved. The green color gives it an unmistakably European charm, and it's rare to find one this clean in the US market. For enthusiasts who love unique European classics, this Lodola represents the perfect blend of rarity and authenticity. 7. 1978 Honda CB750K, $5,500, St. Louis, Missouri. The Honda CB750 is often credited as the bike that changed everything, the world's first true superbike. This 1978 model has been beautifully modified while preserving its vintage character. It features a Texavina low-profile seat, Mac 4-in-1 exhaust, rebuilt forks, synced carburetors, and fresh graphite pearl paint that looks stunning under sunlight. The owner also added bar-end mirrors, LED taillights, and updated electricals, making it reliable for daily rides. Mechanically solid and visually gorgeous, this CB750K is the perfect mix of classic design and modern performance. Whether you want to relive the 70s sport bike era or just turn heads at your local meet, this bike is a must-see. Number 8. 1982 Suzuki GS850 Cafe Racer, $4,000, Cumming, Georgia. This 1982 Suzuki GS850 has been reborn as a cafe racer, a head-turning custom build that combines retro charm with modern reliability. It's finished in a metallic green flake paint paired with new tires, oil, and filter, fully road-ready. The GS850 is powered by Suzuki's legendary inline-4 engine, known for being nearly bulletproof. The custom touches give it a lean, aggressive stance, perfect for riders who crave individuality. At just $4,000, this bike offers the thrill of vintage riding without the hassle of constant repairs. Ride it home and you're good to go. Number 9. 1977 Yamaha TT500, $5,500, Pass Christian, Mississippi. For the dirt lovers, the 1977 Yamaha TT500 remains one of the most iconic off-road machines ever built. This four-stroke thumper was completely restored, the frame refinished, the engine overhauled, and the carburetor rebuilt. The bright orange fuel tank with polished aluminum accents gives it that unmistakable retro look. Known for its bulletproof 499cc OHC engine and lightweight frame, the TT500 became a legend in motocross and enduro history. It's simple, rugged, and built to last. The kind of bike that reminds you what pure riding feels like. If you're after a piece of off-road heritage, this Yamaha deserves a place in your garage. Number 10. 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $3,650, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Finally, we have the 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, a bike that has defined what a Sportster should be: compact, powerful, and dripping with attitude. This Ironhead model features a rebuilt 4-speed transmission, upgraded Andrews cams, and a rigid rear setup for that true old-school bobber look. It comes with all its original parts and just needs spark and fuel to be road-ready again. The seller calls it a love story and a goodbye, which perfectly captures what classic bikes are all about: emotion, history, and legacy. For anyone looking to bring an old Harley back to life, this Sportster is the perfect project bike with soul and potential. That wraps up our list of 10 incredible classic motorcycles for sale right now. Which one would you love to ride or restore? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because here on Moto Market Explorer, we bring you the best vintage bikes and hidden deals every week. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next ride.